10 Best Quotes of Film Rope 1948. Rope. The Rocky formula nearly wears out its welcome in Against the Ropes, a highly fictionalized feel-good drama based on the life of pioneering female boxing promoter Jackie Cullen. In an egregious effort to distill the essence of Cullen's achievement, director Charles S. Dutto, who fared better with HBO's The Corner, has strictly played it safe, delivering a foregone conclusion almost from the very first scene. Burdened with a by-the-numbers screenplay by Cheryl Edwards, Save the Last Dance, the film gets a much-needed boost from Meg Ryan, playing Cullen as a brassy, smoky-voiced dynamo, rising to the challenge when a rival promoter, played with fierce bravado by Tony Shalhoub, dares her to play hardball in a male-dominated sport. When we hang the capitalists, they will sell us the rope we use. Joseph Stalin. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot in it and hang on. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Words today are like the shells and rope of seaweed which a child brings home glistening from the beach and which in an hour have lost their luster. Cyril Connolly. Give him enough rope and he will hang himself. Charlotte Bronte. You only get one chance to make the first impression. And I made the biggest first impression ever by throwing the big show over the top rope. Cesaro. I embraced loneliness as a kid. I know what loneliness is. When you're at the end of your rope. I never forget those feelings. John Prine. Support by United States rulers is rather in the nature of the support that the rope gives to a hanged man. Nikita Khrushchev. We are going to have a little party. This understated line sets the chilling tone for the entire film. It's all so simple. A character's assertion about their perfect crime, reflecting their arrogant mindset. It's not the act that's important, it's the philosophy behind it. A philosophical statement that delves into the character's twisted worldview. We are above morality. A chilling declaration of the character's belief in their superiority. We are not going to let you spoil it. A threat to a potential witness, showcasing the character's ruthlessness. Brandon Shaw. Good and evil, right and wrong were invented for the ordinary average man, the inferior man, because he needs them. Rupert Cadell. The power to kill can be just as satisfying as the power to create. Philip Morgan. You mean you didn't really believe it when you said all that? You were just playing me along? You weren't really serious. Brandon Shaw. Nobody commits a murder just for the experiment of committing it. Nobody except us. Rupert Cadell. By what right do you dare to say that there's a superior few to which you belong? Philip Morgan. You frighten me. You always have. Brandon Shaw. The Davids of this world merely occupy space, which is why he was the perfect victim for the perfect murder.